Hey there, everybody. This is me, Wolf. Shawn Allen, Whippin Shawn.
Hey, whip.
Whipping it up. We here made some handy-dandy little signs here for a good friend of ours, Bubba McClown. He is a man at work who needs a little cheering up.
Definitely.
We're going to go a little incognito under the darkness of night, and we are going to place these on front and rear windows of his dilapidated shack of a house, hoping to brighten his day in the morning. Because you know Bubba, actually you don't, but you might see it on the news.
Hopefully. Now, Shawn Wolf, turn that other side around and show him what we got on the other side.
Because he has got such a positive outlook in life. And, Bubba, you're a dumbass. Rock on. Fuck these clowns. Let's roll out.
Alright, here we go.
You're gonna fucking hate us. You're gonna love us.
But Bubba is still awake at 12:30 at night. He's watching TV.
Probably some shit infomercials.
So we parked in the front of his house, not directly in front, but whatever.
Down the block.
Down a little block. And we started walking to his house, and we started to scope out his house. And while we were doing that, a concerned neighbor from across the street started to yell at us and say, "Hey,
What are you guys fucking doing?"
yeah, what are you guys doing?"
So we proceeded across because he sounded damn familiar, which
Yeah.
he wasn't,
and
explain ourselves.
we told him we're just doing a little prank, and don't worry, you know, like we're not bad people. You know? It's like, oh, okay, and so that's all cleared up. But now that kind of caused some noise a little bit. And then on our way back to his house, some drunk guy looking for some address that he has written on his goddamn cigarette package needs help finding the place, and he's talking to us
Loudly because he's drunk.
right in front of Bubba's house, in front of his living room though. So thankfully Bubba didn't see us then yet. Then, as that guy walks away, whatever, Shawn goes up to his steps,
Tried scoping that shit out.
try to scope it out, and Bubba popped out right to the window. I told him, "Shawn, run!" So we ran away, and here we are trying to find it out.
We're fucking freaking, not knowing what we're doing, but we're going through with it.
Shawn is taping the side now. As you can see, we're very close to Bubba's house. Okay, here we are, and we got the sign ready, and
We got too many people watching us.
so yeah, we got to get it over with.
This is also our our testimony that we're not robbing anybody.
No,
In case you're an ossifer looking at this, we're
just a
trying
prank.
to prank someone up. So let's try.
Let's go. Run. Yeah, they're looking at us. I know, they're looking right at us. Shawn. Okay, that was fucked up.
That's the corner neighbor.
Okay.
Concerned.
Okay.
They're just fucking it up.
Okay, go.